Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my 7-year-old daughter's nails. I will be using some UV gel nail polish on her nails. Right now I'm trying to give you guys a close-up. Ignore my nails. I will do those tomorrow. Right now I am just trying to take the shine off of her nails by lightly buffing them. Lightly buff each nail. Go in and do the other side, lightly buffing it to remove the shine from her nails so that we can go ahead and apply a base coat and cure it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. After you apply your base coat, we will be seeing the next step. Alright, so there's that base coat. We're just going to apply that to each of her nails, a thin coating.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert.
And that was the base gel. We are about to cure it in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Do the other side as far as the base gel. And yes, that's the base gel. Let's apply it to both sides before we can apply any type of polish. The polish will not work unless you have some type of base gel and a top coat. Make sure they're the same brand as well. Not the nail polish and the base and top coat, but the base and the top coat needs to be the same brand. And that has cured. Now we can move on to the polish. She picked out this color blue with a little glitter in it and another color. So we already used our base coat first. We're gonna go ahead and go in with that polish now. Remember, you need to do 2 coats of this polish. Stick it in the UV lamp 60 seconds after each coat. Make sure it's thin too, or else it's not going to dry quickly. Do each nail the color that you desire. She wanted these colors, blue and the middle finger, the other color that she picked out. And I'm just giving her what she wants.
trees inside of me. In this
She is so excited. She says she liked them already. And that's a close-up on those colors. I'll put the link down below so that you guys can purchase this UV gel as well. It is so amazing. Like, this is the colors that I wanted my kids to use. This is the brand that I wanted my baby to use, because this brand of UV gel polish does not get hot like some of the other brands. Yeah, they get hot as soon as you stick them underneath the lamp. You're gonna feel your nails getting hot, and it doesn't feel good, you guys. So I had my nails, I took them off so that I can do their nails the best, to the best of my ability. I just let them pick out some colors, the colors that they wanted. And I know I keep saying they, that's because I have another video coming up, you guys, and that's going to be with my oldest daughter. Stay tuned. This sugar UV gel is so amazing, y'all. And these I bought off AliExpress. I will put the link down below for those as well. Easy to use. I don't know, I got a newfound thing that I like to do, and that's nails. I've been interested since I went to beauty school, and you guys, they try to teach us, but it's just basic with acrylic and stuff like that. They don't tell you about the different type of nail polish and stuff. I guess they probably didn't have it back then. They probably just had the regular nail polish you gotta blow to dry or put it in front of the fan. I have that too, but I really, really am in love with this UV nail polish. It is amazing. The best thing that you guys could have created. Oh my God. Because I hate waiting for nail polish to dry. Now I'm just going to stick a couple designs, decoration on my baby's nails. And after I put these designs on, I'm going to put her top coat. Put it in the UV lamp. Apply some cuticle oil. And she'll be done. She's trying to show them off now, y'all. They looking cute. Trying to show a wiggle it. That UV lamp be going off quick. Now she's doing the other hand. My baby loves getting her nails done. Yes, and that polish did not heat up on her hand. She did say something about her thumb, but then it went away. Ooh, pretty girl. Look at those nails. Pretty. Look, y'all. And you don't have to worry about this coming off. Like, if you have a daughter and she likes to peel or pick at hair polish, you might want to try this with her. It'll last longer. But then, I mean, if they really just picking at it, gnawing at it, nabbing at it, then maybe they're too little for it, and you probably don't need to waste your time. But it's just still fun to do. It's a good bonding, you know. You can bond, you know. Nice bonding time. And pretty nails. Ooh. gorgeous.